Alright y'all, Ouyulong said they made a wall light that stays on for 60 hours on the dimmest setting. And that's longer than the last relationship I believed in. Thank goodness I'm married now. There we go. Let me show you this magic before it flies away. Ouyulong said these can shine for 60 hours straight on the lowest setting. That's 2.5 days. And honey, that's longer than I can stay focused on anything. And look at this, a whole 10,000 mAh battery, and it's removable. No taking the whole light down like you're uninstalling a ceiling fan. Just pop, charge, and pop it back in. It's like a little power brick with a degree. And she said you have options, so let's try them out. First, it looks like we're on warm. So we can take and brighten this if we would like, or dim it. If we want to brighten it all the way, we can hit this little sunshine. There we go. We can also change the color temperature. It's got 3000K if you want a romantic look, 4500K if you want to look like you got your life together, and 6000K if you want to see every flaw in your eyeliner. So there's 5 brightness levels from soft whisper to interrogation scene on Law and Order. You can use the remote to turn them on, or you can just touch the panel. Because sometimes I want to tap it, and sometimes I want to control my whole life from the couch. It also has 4 timers: 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 120 minutes, and 240 minutes. Perfect for when you fall asleep watching your shows and pretend like you weren't sleeping. And the memory function, baby, this light remembers the settings better than I remember why I walked into the kitchen. Y'all, Ouyulong sent this over for me to try out. And baby, this box came in here looking like it had security clearance. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, Ouyulong came packed and prepared. We've got the manual, which I'll only read if this thing starts talking back to me. We've got the C-type charging cables. We've got these cute little remotes that look like they control emotions. Okay, so we just slide this in here like so. This is the battery. Okay, and then we take and we plug these in and rotate them and twist them on. Oh, look, it's already on. Look at that. Okay, so we got one on. I'll take another and place it on. Look at this light. This light is smooth. It's giving I moisturize twice a day. And look, the battery pops right out. I love a rechargeable queen that knows how to be independent. Okay, and here the lights are in all of their glory. I hung them in my entryway next to my mirror, so when I go out, I can check myself and make sure that I look good. So that's the Ouyulong rechargeable wall light. Bright, customizable, and honestly, smarter than me before coffee. If you want to check them out, the link is down in the description. I'd like to thank Ouyulong for sponsoring this video. Hit like, subscribe, and tell me where you would put these lights, because I'm nosy and I need ideas. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.